Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn what is HTML quotation and other tags and element of the HTML. Let me show you. This is the paragraph and you can see here this is quotation of this text. I want to make same this sentence with this quotation with the HTML. Right now is hard coded with the paragraph, so I'm going to remove and put this sentence inside the tag of the quotation. Q is elements for the quotation. Let me specify, save and refresh this page, and you can see here still output is same. So whenever you want to put this quotation into the any paragraph, any documentation, you can simply use the quotation tag. Second tag is block quotation. Let me show you. When you want to define any text and any paragraph with the specific space and in block, that time block quotation is used. So let me specify block quote and paragraph inside the block quotation and see the output. Now paragraph take full space of the line, also take space after and before and top and bottom. So this is block quotation. Next element is abbreviation. Abbreviation basically used as a tooltip, but without tooltip you can specify and define any of the information to the text. Let me show you the example so you can get the idea what is the use of abbreviation. So let me specify abbr element and inside I specify paragraph text, and let me specify title. This title attribute we need to specify into the abbreviation element, and I'm going to specify the information. This is formatting text paragraph. Let me save and refresh this page, and now you can see here. Let me show you. You just need to hover on the text and this dotted line and see some tooltip is show on this dot. This is formatting text. So whenever you want to add some information on text and display on hover, that time you can specify this abbreviation element. You no need to specify tooltip and CSS. You can do it without CSS. So this is a very helpful tag you can use. Next is address. Basically address tag is used when you want to specify address and contact detail into your website. Let me show you the example of the address. First of all, let me specify address tag, and I'm going to specify address in this tag. Let me move this body tag and specify Surat. I'm going to specify BR for the next line, and India. Let me save, and you can see here output, and you can use this address element when you want to specify address in your web page. Next tag is cite. Basically cite tag define the title of the creative works. For example, we want to specify here posters and want to specify the creator name of the poster. That time this cite tag is used. The cite element usually render the text in italic. Let me show you. This paragraph, let me refresh and you can see here now paragraphs is display in italic. So you can use all the useful tags and element in your website. It's very easy. Thank you for watching a video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.